India's GDP has slipped down to a 10-year low, standing at a figure of 5%. This is, in fact, in 10 years, in almost a decade, that the GDP has slipped down. Shantanu joining us with the details. Shantanu, how are we supposed to read into these figures? It's obviously a setback, doesn't look good for the Indian picture at all.
Absolutely. In fact, the figures which have just come out definitely show that the GDP growth is at the lowest in the decade, in 10 years. And what is more worrisome for the government is the fact that the manufacturing sector, which is supposed to be the pinpoint and the pivotal in the economy, has grown at a rate of just 2.6%. And the output in the agricultural sector has also not risen much by just 1.4%. In fact, sources in the government as well as the finance ministry are pointing this to global factors, notwithstanding, as you also know, that the U.S. economy has also not grown at a higher rate. However, consumer spending in the U.S. economy has shown a lot of resilience, and that is the point which is missing in the Indian economy. The point remains that the government has been very guarded as far as the rate is concerned in its overdrive to contain inflation, and that has led to a lot of problems for the manufacturing sector. So the main focus of the government in the coming days will be to spur growth, will be the firm thrust on the manufacturing sector. Back to you.
So, and that becomes the priority really, Shantanu, from what you're telling us for the government. But how are we expecting the government to come out and deal with the situation? What are the immediate steps they'll have to take to address the situation at hand?
Obviously, reforms hasn't taken off. I mean, sources in the government are saying that due to political issues and political factors, the big bang reform package hasn't been able to be pushed. The government has not been able to push through, be it in the financial sector, be it in the other sectors. That is what the entire economy is also looking at, and the manufacturing sector is also looking at. In fact, the markets have also reacted very negatively to these GDP figures. They are the process of, we've already seen around 200 points fall in the market. So obviously, the main thrust of the government in the coming days has to be a big bang reform package, which the government should try and push through. Back to you.
Well, obviously, this also comes in the back of global cues from what you have been telling us, Shantanu, but it's got to be a combination of factors. Now, domestically, if one were to ask you, what's really taken this GDP down to such a low figure?
Locally, obviously, there are factors, notwithstanding the global meltdown, which is there. The global pressures are there. But as I pointed out, and as sources of the finance ministry have pointed out, that in spite of the low growth in the U.S. economy, the consumer spending has been resilient. Not only in European economies or in the U.S. economy, consumer spending continues to be resilient. That is what is missing locally in the Indian economy. The main factors, according to sources in the local economy, is the government's continuous overdrive to contain inflation, for which there has been some sort of pressure on the interest rates, and the industry has not been able to spur up its investment, and that is one of the major factors which you see is obviously reflecting in the growth in the manufacturing sector, which is pretty low, and that has to be the farm output, the farm thrust for the government in the coming days. Back to you.